Hello and welcome everyone. You're watching Learn with Ears. Today we are looking at Christmas vocabulary. So let's get started. Christmas Day. Christmas Day is celebrated on the 25th of December. Though it is a religious holiday for Christians, it's also a popular holiday for non-Christians. People who do not celebrate Christmas tend to enjoy gift giving, having family gathering, and feasting together. Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas Day. Boxing Day. We celebrate Boxing Day on the 26th of December. It is not a day when people put on boxing gloves and have a match. Different nations have different way to celebrate Boxing Day. People spend time with families or friends. They gather for meals, relax at home, and enjoy the day off. For some people, Boxing Day is a shopping day. Tradition. Custom or belief that has been passed from one generation to another. Tinsels. Tinsels. Baubles. Bell. Ornaments. A present. Wrapping papers. Gift giving. Gift giving. To give gifts. To give gifts. Sleigh. Sleigh. Reindeer. Reindeer. Christmas stocking. Stocking. Snowman. Snowman. Wreath. Wreath. Christmas ribbons. Christmas ribbons. Fairy lights. Fairy lights. A candle. A candle. Christmas garland. Christmas garland. Holly. Holly. Poinsettia. Poinsettia. Gingerbread man cookies. Gingerbread man cookies. Gingerbread house. Gingerbread house. Christmas cake. Christmas cake. A candy cane. A candy cane. Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. Santa Claus or Father of Christmas. Santa's sack. Santa's sack. An elf. An elf. Chimney. Chimney. Fireplace. Fireplace.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish
The sound of carols.
and a Happy New
The
Year.
sound of carols. Carolers or carol singers. Christmas cards. Christmas cards. Christmas snow globe. Christmas snow globe. Mistletoe. Mistletoe. Mistletoe is a plant with small shiny white berries, and it is often used as a decoration at Christmas. It is a tradition to kiss someone you love under the mistletoe flower. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.